for, okay, last time we have covered for multiply by tens, hundreds and thousands. Do you all still remember the topics that we have covered? Multiply by 10, multiply of 100 and multiply of thousands. I know some of you have submitted the worksheet, some of you still downloading the worksheets from Edmodo. 1 week still loading the worksheets. Never submit yet to teacher. Okay, so for this week, I mean for today, teacher going to cover the topic divide by tens, hundred and thousand. It's same actually like the multiply, but for the multiply, we need to move to the right. For divide, we move to the left. Never mind, teacher going to show our slide. Those who cannot view my screen, you can go to the Edmodo and then you try to click the slides that teacher uploaded yesterday. Okay, who cannot view my screen now can go to the Edmodo. We're going to start the divide by tens, hundred and thousands slide 1 because teacher have posted 2 slides there. So now we're going to refer the slide number 1. Okay, we are still under the second topic, operations and whole numbers. Can you all see my screen or not? Can see my screen or not? Class, am I talking to the wall? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Can I? Okay. Wait, teacher have to see someone is message teacher. Why is my line lagging here? Class, can hear me right? Can I? Okay. Josephine, I think your line is breaking there. Okay.
Yes,
So,
my line is working.
yeah, no problem. Teacher recording the call. Don't worry. Later you can watch. Okay. Now you try to connect back. Okay. Divide by tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. We start with the dividing by 10 first. Okay. Dividing by 10. When you divide a number by 10, you move all the digits one place to the right, the number becomes 10 times smaller. Okay, teacher going to show the example here. Okay, let's say 3502 divided by 10. How are you going to get this answer? What we need to do? In a simplest way, you just move one decimal place to the class. When it comes for the divide by 10, since we only have 1 0 for 10, so the simplest way is we just move one decimal place to the left. Okay, 3502, we assume that there is a decimal at the end of this number, correct? Correct or not? Hello, correct or not? Correct. Okay,
Yes, teacher.
so you have to move one decimal place to the left so that you will get 350.2. Why we get decimal here? Okay, you can see that the digits move along to the right, thousands move to hundreds, and the others follow like this. Okay, what is the important thing the teacher asked you all to remember last time? Okay, after decimal, we already covered the decimal topics in grade 4, correct? Okay, what is the place value after the decimal place? After the decimal, what is the place value right to the decimal? Who can tell to teacher? Class. class? What
Yes,
is the
teacher.
number? What is the number after the decimal? Are we going to start from 1, 10, 100 or 1000? What is the place value after the decimal? Who can tell to teacher what is the place value after the decimals? Tens. Very good.
Tens.
Okay, good. So you all have to remember that the number after the decimal is 10. So the number to the left of the decimal should be 1, and then we follow with 10, 100 and thousands. Okay, since 3502 you divided with 10, the simplest way teacher said that since 10 is 1 0 for 10, so you only have to move one decimal place to the left. So your answer you will get 350.2. Understand or not? Okay, let's say when you try to identify, that means when you try to analyze your answer in the box way, okay, you can see or not 3502. So of course 2 should be in one place, 0 should be in 10th place, 5 is the 100th, and 3 is the 1000th place. Okay, 3502. When you try to divide it with 10, so as teacher said, you have to move only one decimal since it is a 10. So it will automatically move. That means your decimal move to the left, but the numbers all have to move to your right in the box. Understand or not?
Yes,
Understand?
teacher.
Okay, good. So 350.2. That's why teacher said now the 0 becomes the 1th, 5 becomes 10th, 3 becomes 100th. So the 2 is also 10th because the number after the decimal is the 10th place. Okay, now dividing by 100. When you divide a decimal number by 100, you move all the digits to two places to the right. The number becomes 100 times smaller. Okay, I'm going to show you one example here. Okay, now 502. Teacher going to use the same number, so easy for you all to do. 3502 divided by 100. Don't worry, after this we have a lot of questions to do. So now you all won't open the mouth, right? Only some of you go responding to teacher. Then later teacher going to call one by one to answer the questions. Okay? Okay. Same 3502 divided by 100. Okay, now for this time dividing by 100, do we need to move again one place value? Class, how many decimal, I mean how many places we need to move? Teacher said we have to assume that our decimal is at the end of these two. Once for divide by 10, we have to move only one decimal place. When it comes to the 100, we have to move how many decimal places? How many decimal places we need to move when it comes to 2? Why? Because of 100. Okay. So in the simplest way, you can write here divide by 100 means 3,502, when you divide with 100, you will get 35.02. Ooh, message teacher. Good. Angiwan, thank you. Okay, so 35.02. Okay, we try to analyze this in a box way. Same, the 2 is in 1th place, the 0 is in 10th place, the 5 in 100th place, 3 also in 1000th place. Okay, so as teacher said just now, since it's divided by 100, you have to move 2 decimal places to your left. Very important thing is when it comes to the 100, you have to move 2 decimal places to your class. When it comes for multiply with 100, you have to move 2 decimal places to your right. But when it comes for the divide by 100, you have to move 2 decimal places to your right or left. It's very important thing, whether you move to your right or move to the left. The moving of decimal places is very important to find out the answers. Once you wrongly move your decimal places, your answer will be wrong. So now, for divide, we need to move 2 decimal places to your left or right.
Left.
Left, very good. So 35.02, and same goes to the box way. So you have to move these numbers to your right. So 0 is your 10th, and then 2 is your, the number after the decimal, teacher say 0 is your 10th, correct? Now the 2 is your what?
Ones.
No, hello. This is decimal numbers. 1 is wrong. 1 is only you have to. Good. Is 100. Thank you, Angiwan. Is 100. Because that's why teacher said when it comes for the decimals, after the decimals, no more 1. We have to start the place value with the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Only for the decimal numbers. But the number left to the decimal will start from 1, 10, 100 and 1000 as usual. So 5 is the 1, 3 is the 10. Understand or not? 35.02. The place value is very important. How to identify the place value? Can understand or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Dividing by 1000. That's all. Today our topic is only divide by tens, hundred and thousands. Okay, now dividing by thousands. When you divide a decimal numbers by 1000, you move all the digits 3 places to the right. The number becomes 1000 times smaller. Okay, we can see the example here. Again, teacher using the same number. 3,502 divided by 1000. Okay, so teacher, who can explain to teacher? Now I don't want to open my mouth. Who can tell to teacher? Who can explain to teacher except Angiwan and Josephine? The rest, who wants to try? Wrong doesn't matter. How are you going to move the decimal places? How you will get this answer? And then how to write in the box? Who can explain to teacher? My dear class students.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher, yes, teacher, yes, teacher, but no reply. Who wants to explain? Or you all want me to explain first, and then for the next slide, if the questions, you all have to explain to me. Is it okay? Teacher, explain first for the 1,000.
Okay.
Okay, 3,502, same, divided by 1,000. How many decimal places we have to move? Since 1,000 have 3 zeros, we have to move. This one is the simplest way. That means we don't have to use the box. We simply can move 2 decimal places to the left to get the answer. Since 1,000 we have 3 0, so you only have to move 3 decimal places to your left. It's very important. Divide is left, so you have to move 3 decimal, and same we have to assume that it is a decimal point at the end of this 2 here, number here. So you have to move 3 decimal places to your left. 1, 2, and 3. So 3.502. And then how to explain in the box way? How to explain in box? Now 5 is in under which place value? Class, 5 is now under which place value? Hello? Am I talking to the wall? Why? What happened to the maths grade 5? Why? You never see me before, right? You all don't know who is teacher Vicky. Huh?
No, teacher.
You all have seen me for 1 year, right? We all get
Yeah.
used with the online classes, all right? Then
Yes.
still scared or what? Doing something
No.
else there. And then why no any response? You all want me to write the report to Mr. Michael about this? No response from all the students except Angiwan and Josephine and sometimes Adish and Chayangi. The rest all no any response. What happened? Okay, now teacher is asking, okay, good, Angiwan tens. 5 is in 10 place values. How about the 0 is in which place value here?
100.
100. Very good. 2 is
1,000.
1,000. Very good. So now 3 is in
1.
ones. That's it. Very simple. So 3.502. That's all for divide by 10, 100 and thousands. We are not going to end the call. I have one more slide to explain. Okay, class, what happened? Don't think teacher is scolding. I won't scold. You all know about me very well, right? What happened? Just respond to teacher. Even Jose and Herman. Okay, Shengwei, Shengen, is it okay? No, sorry. Shengwei, Shengen and Herman. I know they are new, but Herman, but 3 of you already know teacher for 3 weeks, correct? Just respond, right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Jose, you know me since when, Hello. Try to open your mouth and respond to teachers. How about the rest? Jingze, Zunshan, Fiona, Ashria, nobody wants to on the camera. Going to remove you all from the class. Louisa, what happened? Wei Feng, what happened? Don't want to open the mouth. Why? Anything happened? Anything? Why you all having any difficulties or what? Can share to teacher what? Anything happen? Why no concentration or don't want, you know the answer but don't want to respond or what? I all know the answers? Just don't want to respond lah.
No, teacher.
Then why don't want to respond? Feel shy? Because long time never see your friends all. Feel shy to respond in online. Ashriel, you please don't show your face at school once the school reopen. During online classes, you don't want to respond anything. Try to on the camera, Zunshan and Ashriel. Louisa, what happened to you? Don't make me add Teacher Gita in this call. I'm going to add Teacher Gita, Teacher Jasmine in this call. Let them see what you all doing here in my class. No any response. But I won't do that. You all know, right? Fiona, what happened to you? Not feeling well. Look so tiring, all of you. Why? A lot of worksheets to do.
My eyes totally like this one.
Yes, Fiona, what happened?
My eyes are always like this one. Very pain, feel pain like
Okay.
this.
Yeah. Why? What happened? So many worksheets or what? Stress?
No, just
Okay.
feel very pain only and dry.
Oh, okay. Jingzer, what happened to you? But you all are the good students, right? Fiona, Jingzer, Wei Feng, Jose, Chia Yang, all good students. What happened in online? Good becomes bad. Jingzer, what happened? I know you all at home. Sometimes no connection, sometimes struggling to join the class. But you all have to feel blessed, because some of the students they are struggling very hard to get the connection to join the classes. Most of them cannot see the screen, cannot download the worksheets. So many problems they are facing, but you have to feel blessed because can view my teacher screen, correct or not? Can on the video and everything, can do the worksheets as well. So try to respond lah. Can did you going to open one more slide? So I'm going to call one by one. You have to respond to teacher the answers. Can everybody, can or not? I want to hear the sound. Can or not?
Can, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Can. Very good, Fiona. Jose, can or not? Thank you, Josephine. Jose, can or not? Adish, can or not? Oi. Hello, I want to hear the voice.
Can, teacher.
Okay, Jose, can or not? Jose always feeling shy. It's like talking to girlfriend, You see his face reactions, how shy he is. When I ask the questions, his face all will turn to shy mode. I'm your girlfriend, is it, Jose? Why? Wei Feng, okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
Chia Yangi, okay or not?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Jingze, okay or not? Hey. Hello. Okay or not, Jingze? Okay. Herman, okay or not?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Luisa, okay or not? On the camera. Now can on. Why just now cannot on, Luisa? Now only get the connection. Okay or not, Luisa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Sheng Wei, Sheng Hen, how about you both? Okay or not? Can respond to teacher, right? Why? Total silent from both of them. Sheng Wei, Sheng En, are you all in the call?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Sheng Wei, Sheng En, just on the camera. Good. Asriel and Zunshan, how about you both? Are you both in my call or just attend the class and turn off the mic and audio, everything is sleeping there? Asriel and Zunshan can respond something. I have the rights to do that. Those who are not responding anything, mic and video off, at least respond. If no, I will remove you all from the class. I can remove. You go and complain to anybody also, I don't care, because this is what teachers have to do. No respond, I will remove you all from the class. Correct or not? This is what teacher used to do last year, right? Those who have learned grade 4 from me. Correct or not? With me. Good. Zunshan, you can respond, right? What happened to you this time? Messaging. I won't receive any message from the chat box. Only Angivan, because she has the problem with the mic and she cannot turn on the camera. Mic and talk. Josephine cannot turn on the camera. This is what they face since last year. The rest all is very no any problem with your mic and camera. Correct or not? Why you are in the room, Zunshan? Come out lah. Okay, shall we continue with one more slide? Okay, now this is the simple slides, one with the questions and one with the answers, but teacher don't want to show the answers. Okay, now multiplying by and dividing by 10, 100 and thousands. Can see my screen, right? Can I? Good. So same goes to the multiplying. Teacher already said. When this one is only for the box way, let's say 10, you have to move to your left 2 space, 100 and same goes to the 1000. And then for dividing also, just now in the box teacher said divide 10, you have to move in the box 1 space, 100 2 spaces, and then for 1000 3 spaces. Okay, never mind, we try to do the questions so easy. This one is mixed with the multiplying and dividing, so easy for you all to recall the previous topics also. Okay, now one by one, who want to volunteer and can tell the answer from A? Just volunteer yourself and can respond to me your answers.
Can I try A?
Oh, very easy. Josephine cannot. Okay, what is the answer?
70.
Very good. Those who already tried the question, so please don't try the next question until all the turns are finished, then you can start with the new one. Okay,
Teacher.
And then question number B, 13 multiply 10. Just tell your name, want to try or not, tell me the answer. Number B, 13 multiply 10. Who wants to try? Uneven. Okay, thank you so much. 130, very good. So 5.43 multiplied by 10. Who wants to try?
Teacher?
Yes.
50.43.
Huh?
50.43.
Wrong, Adish? It's very simple. What teacher said, when multiply, just move one decimal place to the right. When divide, move to the left. That's it. 5.43 multiplied by 10.
Teacher, can I try?
No, let him answer the question first. Adishwara.
543.
Huh? What happened to you,
543.
Adish? No, Adish. Can you see the decimal point there? So what teacher said, when multiplied by 10, so there is only 1 0. So you only have to move one decimal place to the right. Try to move the decimal one decimal place to your right. So your answer should be okay. Never mind, Adish. Teacher can call someone. Okay, Chayangi, what is your answer?
54.3.
Good, 54.3. Okay, number D, 34.1 multiply 100. Who wants to answer? Okay, class, you all don't have to do your working, this one is very simple. Yeah, of course, in exam you have to show the working, but now it's very easy to show the working. That means, okay, let's say for the 10, okay, can you all see only one zero here, right? Okay, 5.43. So you only have to move one decimal place to your right. So the decimal here, you have to move to here. So the answer should be 54.3. Okay, let's say when it comes for the divide by 10. 1 0, correct? So you have to move one decimal place to your left. So the answer should be 0.02. Okay, who can tell to teacher number D? 34.1 multiply 100. .1 multiply 100.
341.
341 is wrong, Herman. Check again. Multiply by 100. 100 means 2 0 there. So you have to move 2 decimal places to the right. So what is your answer?
3,410.
Very good. So now can understand or not, Herman?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, E. 32 multiply 100. Who can try? You all should know who didn't answer and who never opened the mouth yet. So I want that person to try the questions. Once you already answer, you don't have to answer for the next questions.
Can I try?
Can? Yes, Adish.
320.
Hey, Adish,
Yes, teacher.
multiply 100. So, 2 zeros there. What is your answer?
Chanel, can you hear me, Chanel?
3,200.
Try your summary.
Very
Chanel.
good. 3,200. Understand or not, Adish?
Yes, teacher.
The only thing you all have to see is how many zeros and where is your decimal place. Okay, now Adish, please try again for F. I want you to try again. 1.234 multiply with 100 again. What is your answer?
$123.4.
Very good. Can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, G. Okay, who wants to try? 3.2 multiply 1000. 3.2 multiply 1000. I know still some of you never open the mouth. 3.2 multiply 1000. 3.2 multiply 1000. Who want to try? Three point two multiply 1000. Anybody, can you please try and tell to teacher what is the answer? Those who already tried, please don't tell. I want those who never try yet. Please tell me the answer.
3,200.
3200. Very good, Jingza. Good. Just try. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, very good. 3200. Correct, Jingza. Okay. How about for the 0.32 multiply 1000 each? 0.32 multiply 1000. Who wants to answer? The rest also 320. Very good. Good, Luiso. Okay, the rest all don't have to stare at your screen. Can take a piece of paper and try to do. Later we can check the answers. Okay, 0.001 multiply by 1000. Who wants to try? It's very simple. 0.001 multiply by 1000. The students who never answer, you should know that you have to open your mouth and talk. 0.001 multiply 1000. What is the answer? Zero point 0. I don't want to repeat the same thing again. 0.001 multiply with 1000. Who wants to try?
Teacher, may I try?
Yes, can.
10.
No, Sayang. Check and see. Answer is wrong. Why 10? 0.001. You have to multiply by 1000. That means you only have to move 3 decimal places to your right. So what is the answer?
Oh, 1.
Ah, how many 1? Hello. 1. How many 1?
1.
Okay, very
One.
good. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Okay, 43 divide 10. Who wants to try? Still some of you never tried. 43 divide 10. What is the answer? Class, 43 divide 10. What is the answer?
Teacher, can I try?
Chayangi, quiet. Already tried just now. I want those who never open the mouth. Once all the turns are finished, then we can start with the new. Okay? But still some of you never try yet. 43 divide 10. What is the answer? Faster, we still have 15 minutes more only. So, don't, teacher, you all want me to call the names? Weifeng, Fiona, Jose, what happened? Sheng En, Zunshan, Ashriya, what happened? Fiona, what happened? What is your answer? 43 divide 10. Hey, Fiona, what happened? What is your answer?
Wait, teacher. 43.
Divide 10. Very good. Okay, Fiona, 432 divide 10. Sorry, Fiona, I have to move to the next question. 432 divide 10.
Mm, is it for
Very simple. Just move to decimal place. Sorry, if 10. What is the answer, Fiona? If 10, just move one decimal place to your left. That's it. Fiona, 432 divide 10.
4310.2?
Correct. Good. 43.2. Okay, 0.2 divide 10. Wei Feng. Zero point two divide 10. Wei Feng, cannot hear you clearly. Too soft, your voice.
2 in 1, then
Huh?
two
What is the
in
answer?
1,
Just no. Just tell me the answer enough.
2.10,
2.n?
2.10,
2.0? Aye, wrong. Check again. Move one decimal place to your left. Try to move one decimal place to your left. 0.2 divide 10.
2.01,
Aye, 2.2 point. Why 2 point? You have to move to your decimal and left one. You try to move this point, decimal point here. Move one decimal place here. So the point should be here. So you have to add one more zero. So the answer is 0.02. Correct? Okay, you have to try again, Wei Feng, because your answer was wrong just now. 432 divide 100. What is the answer? Faster.
4.32.
Good. 4.32. After decimal, we won't say 32. You have to say the numbers one by one. Correct your answer. 4.32. Okay. Who else? Never answer. Jose. 121.3 divide 100. What is your answer? Faster, Jose. 121.3 divide 100.
1.213.
Very good. 1.213. Good. Okay, the last one. 0.2 divide 100. Who else can I have? Zunshan and Astral. Anyone? 0.2 divide 100. Astral, what is your answer? Zero point two divide 100. Zero point two divide 100. Okay, I'm going to remove Asher from the class.
Teacher, wait.
Wait, what? After 45 minutes only you want to talk in the class? What is your answer, Asher? Zero point two.
0.002. 002.
Very good. Correct. Okay. Zunshen, the last question P. 3,234 divide 1,000. What happened to you, Ashria? 45 minutes teacher keep on call your name just now. No any response from you. When the time teacher say wants to remove you from the class, then only respond. Why? Zunshan, 3,234 divide by 1,000. What is your answer?
Sorry. Yeah.
What is your answer? Okay, never mind. 3,234 you divide by 1,000. What is your answer?
$3,000.
Huh? This one is not rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Hello? Still dreaming mode. 3,234 divide by 1,000. What is your answer? Ashria, Zunsha.
3,234,000.
Hey, Zunshana, this one is not multiply by 1,000, divide by 1,000. Try to move.
3.234.
Very good. 3.234. You can answer actually, Zunshan, but the problem is, don't want to concentrate. Always in the sleeping mode. Okay, very good, Zunshan. Good try. Okay, after Q until the question Z is open for everybody. Who else want to try? Just try, because all the students already answered the questions. Is any of the student teacher miss? Did I miss any of the students? Never answer yet? All answer ready, right? Sheng En? Done? Sheng En, Sheng Wei done, right, just now? Okay. Q. 433 divide 1,000. Who wants to try? Faster. 9 more minutes. Just quickly tell the answer. Who wants to try? 433. Class. 433 divide 1,000. What is the answer? Anybody volunteer wants to try?
Teacher B,
Try, yes, please.
0.433.
Very good. Okay, question number R. 7 divide 1,000. Who wants to try? Adish?
Teacher, can I try?
Yes, Shayangi can. What is your answer?
0.007.
Very good. Okay, 0.003 multiply 10. Who wants to try?
Can I try?
Yes.
Teacher, can I try?
Hello. Hello, how many person want to try for the same question? Adish first, S, and then Josephine, you can try for T later. What is your answer, Adish?
Uh, 00.03.
Yes, 0, correct, 0.03, but you don't have to say 2 times for 0 in front. Only one enough, 0.03, okay? Just take 1 0 in front of decimal. But your answer is correct, 0.03. Or you can just say 0.03 is actually same. Okay, Adish?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Josephine, 32.003 multiply 100.
3,200.3.
Very good. Okay, now next question. 399.9 dy 10. Who wants to answer? Faster, 7 more minutes. 399.9 dy 10. Jingzer, do you want to try? Just try. 399 divide 9. Move to decimal, 1 decimal place to your left. That's it. Jingzer, what is your answer? Hey, Jingzer, what happened? 399.9 divided by 10. Jingzer, are you there? Okay, who else want to try? 399.9 faster. We have 5 more questions.
39.99.
What is your answer, Herman?
39.99.
39.
99.
No, we cannot say 99. After decimal, you only have to say the numbers. 39.9. Understand?
Understand.
Okay. Okay. 3.333 multiply 1000. What is the answer? It's very easy. 3.333 multiplied by 1000. Faster, faster, 5 more minutes. 4 more questions. Hello, class. Who wants to try? 3.333 multiply 1000. Just staring at the screen and you see it's like a robot, you know, no any response from here. Yes, can.
Okay, so here we're changing
Check,
negative into.
Yes, Adish, what is your
positive. So
answer?
Hassan is not inside our son. Remove the not. So you write Hassan is inside our son.
Hey, faster lah. What is your answer?
300.
300.
1,000.
Okay.
3,330.3.
Very soft your voice, Adish.
3,330.3.
Wrong. Hello. Move only 3 decimal places to your right. So, no more 0. What? You just move the decimal to the 3 places to your right. So, your answer should be what?
3,333.
Yes, that's it. Good. Okay. Who else wants to try? W? 87,230 divide by 1,000.
Teacher, can I try?
Yes. Can. Anybody can try. What is your answer?
Okay, ready?
Cannot hear you.
87.
Okay.
Teacher,
Okay.
87.230.
Very good. 87.230. Okay. 0.203 multiply by 100. Who wants to try?
Teacher, me.
Yes, Shayangi can.
20.3.
Very good. Okay. The last two questions. 0.001 multiply with, sorry, and this one teacher have to add one more zero. 10,000. Who wants to try? Actually, same. If 100 means two decimal places. Yes.
10.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Correct lah. 10. Very good. Okay. 132.345. The last question. Who wants to try?
Me.
Yes.
0.13245. 132.345.
0.345. Okay, good. Good try. Very good. So that's it. So this is the answers. Actually, if you all have seen my slides yesterday, sure you all know how to answer. Because teacher already uploaded this slide yesterday. So done?
That at the end
Thank
of
you,
going
teacher.
on.